Basi is identity, tradition, and dignity. And when it was taken away, the people answered with defiance. In 1807, Pitig declared to all of Ilocos Norte that freedom is worth every sacrifice.
Makapasukil, makapapungtot, ken makapasukir itirikna. These are the emotions you're about to feel as our beloved town Pitig presents this year's edition of Tanong. You will witness something deeper, stronger, and more meaningful. In a time when communities continue to face challenges, the spirit of the Basi Revolt reminds us that progress begins when people refuse to remain silent. It shows us that even a small town like Pidig can ignite change when its people are united by purpose. Through resilience, unity, and the guiding leadership of our leaders, this town has risen against all odds. What you're about to see is a reflection of how our people endured, transformed struggle into strength, and turned history into hope. Let us journey back in time and relive the Basi Revolt through this year's performance from our historic town. Pidig, naglaing ka. Basi Revolt, ipagpanakkel na ka.
Idi anauram ti karayan ti Basi, kenda ikaden ti kalintikan ti umili, bimangon ti ili. The Basi Festival of Pitig.
Hintay bumangon, tenggat dirit mo, Pitig agpukaw tayo.
Patikirang tinaker, awak pulos sundeng, ikang tiras sa kalwa, sa mweni kidinigra, labanan tayo isuga, iskalong pagkaneta.
Kintig sa lunin, uranan, mapasama, ipukaw ko ng naman. Somewhere kaan agaman, iepkas ko di ayan. Tu'y ilibig na nasusuli, irekektik sa ating palunin. Uray lahat, mapasama, ipukaw ko ng naman. Sangwerahan agaman, iepkas ko di ayan. Iepkas ko di
This performance is from the municipality of Pindig, led by Mayor Georgina Guillen and Tourism Officers Pat Quitoriano and Michael Aguinaldo, with the creative direction of Christian Mark.